All right, today we're going to have a look at a Royal Master Centerless grinder. This is a relatively new machine. The exact date will be on our quotation. This is a model TG12x4. That means it's a 12-inch diameter grinding wheel, 4 inches wide. It would be the width of the part you could grind if you were plunge grinding. Machine can do plunge grinding and through feed grinding, or in feed grinding and through feed grinding. Right now it's set up for through feed grinding, which means you would run a part through from the front and straight out to the back. It's also equipped with two hydraulic dressers. These are air sensing dressers. Have a lever in the back here that brings the dresser forward. You have a micrometer adjustment on top. Same with the one over here. This is your micrometer adjustment on top. Well, the difference between this and an older style Royal Master is that this has a PLC that controls a step motor or servo drive motor here. And you put in a little program here. You have a touch screen which asks you if you're going to do in feed or through feed, or if you're in the setup mode, and all kinds of different stuff that will be explained to you by a technician if you are going to hire them, or through the books that come with the machine. Basically, you have one axis here that is going to drive toward your workpiece at a rapid speed, at a grinding speed, at a reversing speed. So you have all these different changeover points for your this motor here and how it feeds in. You also have different on this newer version of the Royal Master. You have a servo motor, which is what's working the regulating wheel. They used to have a jack shaft here going down to a belt and something underneath the machine, and you would have to turn a knob here, a lever here to increase and decrease your regulating. So they've done away with all of that. It's a modern Royal Master Centerless grinder. It's in really nice condition. This is the electrical cabinet back here, your coolant tank with the pump in there. Down inside here is your hydraulic tank for your two dressers. And we have a lot of tooling for this laid out on a table, which you're going to see in the photographs, the still photographs that we're going to take. So that's pretty much all I can say about it right now. This is the tooling. You've got some parts pushers. These are ejectors. This is a work rest blade holder for through feed grinding. These are all your for in-feed grinding. This is all your through-feed grinding work rest blades. These are all work rest blades for in-feed grinding. Various parts here for the setup that this also comes with. You can, not exactly sure how this all gets set up, but it would go in the front of the machine here, and there's some other parts that hook up onto here that enable you to feed your parts into the machine when you're doing production work. So that all comes with the machine, and it will all be in our quotation written up properly. Currently this machine is wired for 220 volts. It would need air for the dressers and the ejector, part ejector. This also has the high precision spindle bearings on the regulating wheel. And I guess that's about it. That's the Royal Master TG12x4 centerless grinder. It's a late model, 2014 I want to say, not sure. Again, that will be on our quotation. Thank you very much.